Now that was all for the inside. Let's take a look at the backyard. Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are located in Dayton, Texas, taking a look at this new construction home. Now what's special about this is that it's on 30,000 square foot lot. It's gonna give you 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. And what's very unique is this double driveway. Now, another thing is that your exterior is gonna be made out of brick and stucco. You're also gonna have no neighbors, neither to your left, your right, your front, or your back. So you're completely isolated. If that's something you find peaceful, then this is a property for you. You're gonna have this double garage, as you can see, a very beautiful exterior. In your entrance, you're gonna have some gardens on each side, as well as this arch wall giving you a front porch, which actually extends over to this side, which is still covered and has some recessed sliding. This is perfect if you want to put some stools here, some chairs, take a look at the view to your front yard. The floor is going to be made out of stone tile, and then inside you're going to find this double oak door. Let's take a look inside. You're going to be met with the living area, which is going to have an electric fireplace, floating shelves on both sides of the fireplace, giving you a lot of space to put some decorations. Up in the ceiling, you're gonna have a cathedral ceiling with recessed sliding and a ceiling fan. And then no carpet throughout this home. You're gonna find this vinyl plank. And right next to the living room, you're gonna find your kitchen with a quartz waterfall island, bar stool space there. And then it's actually gonna be separated from your built-in stove to your sink. You're gonna have a stainless steel sink, quartz countertops, and this backsplash is gonna be stone tile again. You're gonna have 42-inch cabinets with silver finishes and built-in appliances that are gonna be stainless steel. Like I said, a built-in 5-burner stove. And as we make our way over here, you're gonna find even more cabinet space in the island. And this is gonna be your formal dining, guys. Chandelier, tray ceilings above with lots of light coming from outside. Now to the left side of the property is where you're gonna find the pantry. You wanna go take a look. It actually looks like a closet, offering you lots of space, and you can even build in some more shelving if you'd like. Now to the right is gonna be the primary bedroom. It's gonna be secluded on this side of the house. All other 3 bedrooms are gonna be on the left side. So here you're gonna have recessed sliding, tray ceilings, and 2 windows to view your backyard. Like I said, no neighbors. You're just gonna find nature all throughout. Now in this corner, behind this arched wall, you're gonna find the primary bathroom and closet. Let's take a look at the closet. You're gonna have tons of hanging space, as well as some shelves. If you wanna put maybe your watches, your colognes, jewelry, you can use that for that. And another window to your backyard. You have another window there. And then this is gonna be your primary bathroom. It's gonna give you dual sinks for his and hers, and you're actually gonna have extra counter space here, a large mirror, and lots of lighting up there. Down below, you're gonna find lots of cabinet space with this dark tone, silver finishes, and these are soft closed as well. To the left, you're gonna have a soak-in tub with marble peel tile all throughout the wall and in your walk-in shower. Now this walk-in shower is pretty big. It's gonna be giving you a glass barn door to access it, as you can see. And if you can show them, it has built-in shelving for your shampoo and conditioner as well. And in the corner, you're gonna find your privacy toilet. Nothing really special there, but that's where it's gonna be located. Now next to the pantry, you're also gonna have your 2-car garage with this extra space that you can put a closet, coat hangers, kind of to use as your mudroom. It's also gonna be your half bath for the guest. It's gonna have those black cabinets, single sink, and the toilet. And then at the end, you will have your utility room. You're gonna have your washer and dryer connections, some hanging space, and some built-in shelving on that side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other side of the house. Now here, we're gonna enter the left side of the house, where you're gonna find your 2nd bedroom, which is very spacious, no carpet again, 2 windows to your front yard. And here in the corner is where you're gonna find your closet. Pretty spacious. This is gonna be bathroom number 2, connecting bedroom number 2 and 3. It's gonna have dual sinks as it is shared. That same color cabinets on the bottom. And then in the corner, you're gonna find a tub shower combo with lots of shelving space and your toilet. Connecting it with bedroom number 3. Again, pretty spacious, and it actually has a kind of nook area over here, giving you a window and a closet space. Here in the corner is gonna be your 4th bedroom, which is actually gonna be one of the bigger out of the three, and it's gonna have its own ensuite. So maybe you have an older teenager, this would be for them. They're gonna have their privacy, as well as plenty of room. It's gonna give you a tub shower combo with that same material you found in the primary. Have a single sink, and then in the corner, you're gonna have a closet. Now that was all for the inside. Let's take a look at the backyard. I knew that was gonna happen. Now to access the backyard, you're gonna be right by the kitchen. This is gonna be your backyard, offering you a covered patio. Again, no neighbors to either side of your house, which is perfect if you wanna play sports without being uninterrupted. If you have large pets, this would be perfect for them as well. You would just have to add that fence. Now for the covered patio, your flooring is gonna be made out of tile with this stone finish. Now above, you're gonna have recessed lighting, a ceiling fan. For your exterior, you're gonna be made fully of stucco, which is great for longevity. You're gonna have this white for the main, and then for the trim, you're gonna have this brownish color. Now this is perfect, guys. This house is listed for $535,000. Again, 2,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms in Dayton, Texas. If you would like more information or to schedule a tour, contact me at this number, guys. I look forward to assisting you. Thank you for watching.